Your Dr. Salome Science Channel, Papakapakir, for Hachi no Miko's Expo. We'll be excited. This is your, kamusta Hachi no Miko? Ako si Abed Hatsu. Sana makita tayo sa anime series na to. Ako yung kuya mo sa anime series na to. Pinsan ni Abed Hatsu no Miko sa karakter is si Natasato. Yung karakter ni Natasato. Siguro naman may Jollibee ka naman dito. Jollibee naman dito. Sorry. Jenny. And Hatsurabi ko. Magpapunta kayo dito sa Pilipinas Eh, karakter ko kasi si Abet Hatsu or virtual and uh, virtual and uh, virtual and overworld. This is my character base. Sorry, nakataktas ko. This is my Hatsura Abet Hatsu or I think she is a doctor. And marami siyang friends kasama na nila Hatsura Biku. I will be excited her visit in this Sunday. I will be excited. Kahit di mo nakukuha ng ticket, pero itong video na tayo sana makarating sa inyo. Baka kaya Korea, akala ko Naka-headphones. Siguro naman, just na Madeira. Again. Here we go again. Siguro naman. Sorry yung mic. Adjust mo natin. This is one of the characters of my Project Sekai. Kiss naman dyan para kay Mario Ohara o Hatsune Miku. Alright. So siya naka-headphones ako Tsaka yung background. This is Abed Hatsu. The brother of Hatsune Miku. And good luck for your event here in the Philippines. Siguro naman, bigyan mo naman ng mga Philippine fans natin dyan ng excitement. Baka makita tayo next maybe a few years na of course. This is your host, Dr. Stanley Science Channel, Papakapakir, and Multiverse.